Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use the blur effect on a specific spot or object in your videos. Now let's dive in. Before we start, make sure you have Capcut PC installed on your computer. If not, you can either use the web version or download it from website. Or you can also download it from Microsoft Store. Now after that, open Capcut and create a new project. Now let's import the image or video you want to edit. Simply click on Import. Then a new browse window will appear. Locate your file and open it. Now it's in our library. For this tutorial, I have a pre-downloaded image ready to go. To edit the image, let's put it in our timeline. You can do this by clicking and dragging it down or by clicking the green plus sign. Now we'll create an overlay, and I'll explain why in just a moment. Right-click on the image in the timeline. Select Copy. Then right-click above it and choose Paste. If you prefer shortcuts, it's Ctrl-C for copy and Ctrl-V for paste. For more shortcuts, click the button at the top right. Next, go to the Effects tab, and in the search bar type Blur and click Enter. Here you can see many types of blur for different occasions, but this time I am selecting this blur. Now drag it on the timeline. Now from here you can adjust the intensity of the blur effect. For duration adjustment, simply drag the ends of the blurred option at where you want to start or stop. Remember, if you click off the overlay video, the blur option disappears. To bring it back, right-click on Overlay Video and select Edit Effects. Now let's refine the blur effect. Click on the overlay video. In the top right corner, under Video, select Mask. Ensure the mask box is checked. Choose the shape you want for the blur. I'll use a circle for now. Adjust the circle to fit your object. You should now see the blur effect inside the shape. If you want to blur outside the shape, click the reverse icon. And there you have it. We've successfully blurred a part of our image using masking overlays and effects. If you found this video helpful, so give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Goodbye.